Shot's so crooked. So I got out of the shower and I just made some like second breakfast. So I just have 2 rice cakes with one with avocado, the everything bagel seasoning, sriracha, and the other one is rice cake with vegan cream cheese and sriracha. I'm gonna eat this. I think I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video. I'm gluten intolerant, so I don't eat gluten. Try not to eat it. Sometimes it just slips up. I'm like plant-based basically. So if you guys want to see a video of what I eat in a day, let me know. I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna pick up my room a little bit after this because I think when Amanda comes over, we're gonna do a little either film a video or take some pictures in my room because she has a nice camera. I don't know if this is like already TMI on my channel or whatever, but I've been getting like some emails about people or brands wanting to send me clothes, but I've never heard of the brands. Like, I don't want to have to make a video about these clothes if I don't like them, things like that. But I just got an email to test out period-proof underwear. That's more up my alley. It's so gross. But that is. Like, I just got so excited when I got that email. Oh my god, my forehead vein's coming out. I thought I'd give you guys a little plant update. A lot of you guys were asking questions about the plants that I have, and I have some questions for you guys because I don't know what I'm doing. So first, these 2 plants are in rehab because they're not doing well. This is an English ivy, and you can see she's dying. But I want to know, do I cut this leaf off? Oh, she's growing again. Okay, I think she's coming back to life. But so that little leaf, I should cut this off or no? Let me know. I don't know anything. This one is not doing so well. It's a marble pothos. I think it's what it's called. And see, this leaf is completely dead. And then these ones are yellow because I was overwatering it. I think that's what it means. But then this side looks pretty good. But this one's dead. So what do? Do I water it more? Do I not water it more? I don't know. I think they needed sun, so that's that. This hanging one that everyone was asking, it's a Boston fern. This one was not doing well, and then my grandma told me they need a lot of humidity. So I put it in the shower with me when I shower, and then I close all the doors and like don't turn the fan on, and I let it like soak in the humidity. This my mom gave me. I think it's fine. It literally like, you don't have to do anything. I don't know what that is. I had the other eucalyptus here, and then my dad's friend told us that eucalyptus is toxic to dogs, so I took it down, and my mom just found this thing at TJ Maxx and I put it up. And then this big one, my prized possession, it's a Majesty palm, and since I've gotten it, I haven't watered it, and she looks perfect. You're not supposed to water it like at all, I guess, until the soil feels really dry, and it still feels kind of like wet to the touch, so I haven't watered it, but she's fine. This, I don't know what this is. I didn't think it was gonna do well because it's not in the sun, but it's fine. Like, I water it every other day, just about, and it's fine. The snake plant, literally, like, you'd have to be an idiot to kill that, I'm pretty sure. That was mean. I don't know. I could probably kill it. And then this one is another ivy. I don't know if it's another English ivy, but I got it from Home Depot. Isn't it beautiful? I think she needs sunlight too. She's not doing so hot. And then we have this little succulent string of pearls. Yeah. And I think that's all my plants. So Ernie's so tired from playing with nutmeg, so it gives me time to do things like clean my room. So since Amanda's coming over later, I normally don't put makeup on, but like I said, we're going to take some pictures, so I think I'm going to do a little makeup routine right now. Okay, let's see if I remember how to do this.
I can put you in a log cabin, somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for. Put you in a mansion, somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change that last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I want you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No. I can put you in a condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in a fur coat, lying in the Murcielago. I put you in a beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good, you make me wanna spin it all on you. Get about this club, slide with your boy, we can do what you wanna. Yeah, baby, I want you in the back 'cause you need a little persuasion, plus you need a little ventilation. Let's talk about you. Yeah. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No.
So this is basically my everyday makeup. I don't wear it every day. It's my go-to makeup. Amanda just came over and we had a photo shoot. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's and then a gluten-free bakery by my house because we're gonna make chickpea salad sandwiches. Then we're gonna set up a little picnic and take more pictures because that's what we do together.
All we do when we're together is take pictures.
So we have gluten-free, obviously vegan, pasta salad. We have our gluten-free bread. Then we have a little spinach. That's the chickpea, what is it? Salad. Yeah, so it's supposed to be like tuna salad, right?
Uh-huh.
With chickpeas. And then tomatoes, shabakadu, Amanda. And then our kombuchas.
I'm a mash. Oh man, I got chickpea on your wood.
Is my phone doing that weird thing again? Yep. I'm sitting outside. Amanda just left, as you guys saw. I have so much fun with her. She's seriously the best. Now, I don't have any plans for the rest of the day. I think Brandon will probably come over and hang out with me, but we'll see. Hi, Ernie. Itchy. It's like an hour since I've talked to you, and I'm already hungry again. So I'm eating our leftovers and then some couscous that my Zio made and brought over. Oh, but Amanda forgot all her groceries here. So I'm going to meet her halfway because she lives like 20 minutes away from me. I'm going to meet her halfway and then bring her groceries. So that's fun. I mean, it's fine. I have nothing else to do. I'm just going to eat outside with my pup while my neighbor stares at me. Okay, so we just dropped off Amanda's groceries. Ernie's in the back there. Second walk of the day. Ernie always sits and waits when I open the door. Stay. Let me go first. Okay, come. You can come. Come. There we go. Day, I ended up falling asleep pretty early in bed just watching YouTube. Let me know if you guys like this kind of video because I'm still unsure about it. But yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this vlog. Thanks again to everyone watching, all the love and support I've been getting. It still doesn't feel real to me, so I don't really know how to process it and act, but I hope you guys can tell how thankful I am and how much it means to me. You're probably annoyed at me saying it, but I just don't know how to express myself. Okay, well, I love you guys. Bye.
Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe, sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know